Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to review the Desaita multimedia player. I installed this a couple of months ago in my 2009 Honda Civic, and it's time to let you know how it's working out. I have a full video on the installation. I'll add a link to that video in the description. This is an Android unit and it starts up really fast. Let's get started. I like the way the screen is. It shows my three best, most used things right at the beginning. And I do use the radio quite a bit. And there's AM, there's FM, here's all my presets right here. All that works. My volumes on the side, I can use it there, or I can use it with my steering wheel controls if you have them. I do have them and it works. So if I go back to home, I can swipe this and these are some more settings here, more menus. I've got Google Chrome, so it's a little computer. So right now it's trying to connect to my iPhone and it did. So now that I'm connected to my iPhone, I have phone calls, text messages, iPhone map. I've got my iPhone calendar, my news breaks, Pandora, my Waze navigation. So I've got quite a bit more stuff on my iPhone that I can use. If I go to news breaks, there it is. Here's today's stuff. I can split that screen on the navigation and that'll work. Make phone calls, there's my split screen. And I go back to home, and if I want a different navigation system, it has its own built-in navigation system. So I used this when I forgot my phone one day, and I just turned this one on and it actually worked pretty good. It uses the GPS system I installed in here that comes with the unit. And right now I'm in the garage and it still picks up my location, which is pretty impressive. So you can also have your Gmail if you set it up. There's Chrome and Google again. There's Google Maps. And then here's an amplifier. So if you want to set up your unit just the way you like it, you can do that. It's got more gadgets here. I didn't set anything up. The only thing I did was this. I put it near the driver, but if you had kids, you'd bring that back a little ways. And it also connects to your iPhone through this cable too, so you can hardwire it. And it's got a clock. And you can actually, if you go to settings, you can actually connect to the internet. So here's Wi-Fi is not connected. Let's turn it on. So connected to Danny Boy 5 and that's me. So I'm connected now. So now I can go home and I can go to Google Chrome. Ooh, before I show you that, let me show you the tire pressure monitor system. So if you wanted to hook up your tire pressure monitor system so you can see your tire pressures, you can do it here, which I think that's pretty cool. And let's go back to Google. Google Chrome is here. So there's YouTube. I was on that earlier, and you can watch YouTube while you're driving. Well, not while you're driving, while your passenger can watch it while you're driving, because you're driving and you would never do that, right? And then I also installed a backup camera. So let me show you the backup camera. No matter what screen you're in, is if you put it into reverse, your backup camera comes on. Right now, this is the back of my garage door, so you're not really seeing much. Sorry about that. But that's how the backup camera works. The customer support on this unit gets an A+ because whenever I email Desaita, they usually get back to me the same day. I hope this review was helpful to you. I added a link in the description of where you can purchase this multimedia player. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.